For the first time in recent memory, Christians all over America will be celebrating Easter weekend at home. And as News 12 Connecticut's Mark Sudol reports, some churches are questioning those stay-at-home restrictions.
Amen, amen, amen.
Pastor Gary Cortese at Beacon Hill Assembly of God in northern Illinois was born and raised in Stamford and had a church there. But he says after 25 years in the Midwest, his church's spiritual foundation is beginning to crumble.
I'm fighting for the survival of my church.
Cortese says the stay-at-home orders issued by his governor in Illinois and Governor Lamont are unconstitutional.
I think we're at risk of seeing a foundational institution die. Churches have to gather. I mean, that's at the heart of what we do. We gather.
Cortese says his church is a smaller church, like 60% of the churches in America.
Many of these churches are going to be empty.
Well, I'm in my church right now, and it's very eerie and scary. It's Good Friday, and there's no life, there's no activity.
But if we take the stay-at-home rules seriously, we'll be right side up soon enough.
Governor Lamont, in PSAs like this one, has been very direct about his stay-at-home policy.
Don't go to a worship service.
And it seems like the older I get, I'm looking for a sure foundation.
Several churches, including Cortese's, have reached out to local attorney Stephan Seeger for some clarity.
If limitations prove to be too tough economically for smaller churches to sustain, I think you will see legal action taken on behalf of some of the churches because the restrictions simply put them out of business.
While Seeger and Cortese understand the seriousness of the pandemic, they are trying to interpret the governor's policy.
Here in Connecticut, while churches and pastors fall under the rubric of essential workers, it is kind of unclear whether or not a church per se is an essential business.
So this is Matthew 14:12.
For now, Cortese and other churches hold services online. Mark Sudol, News 12 Connecticut.